Magkano dapat ang ipon mo by age? 20, 30, 40, at 50 years old. Are you on track? Magkano na ang naipon mo ngayon? At sa edad mo ngayon, dapat ba mas malaki na yan? Welcome to the Change for the Better channel. Please like and subscribe. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin kung magkano dapat ang pera mo sa bangko or investments pagdating mo sa age 20, 30, 40, at 50. Ito ay base sa mga financial experts, global benchmarks, at syempre, in-adjust sa realidad ng Pilipino. Sa edad na 20 taong gulang, simula pa lang. Ang goal, 50,000 piso hanggang 100 piso. Kahit estudyante o bagong graduate ka pa lang, dapat marunong ka nang mag-ipon. Kahit 500 piso bawat linggo, may mararating yan after 1 hanggang 2 taon. Focus on saving habits, not huge income. Tips: mag-open ng digital savings account. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Try part-time or online work for extra cash sa edad na 30 years old or foundation years. Ang goal, may yearly ipon na halimbawa, 200,000 piso hanggang 400,000 piso. Dito dapat may emergency fund na at least 3 hanggang 6 na buwan ng expenses. Nag-uumpisa ka na dapat mag-invest MP2 ng Pag-ibig Mutual Funds stocks. Tips: avoid deserve ko to mentality. Live below your means. Get health insurance or term life insurance. Sa edad na 40 o taong gusali, goal, 2 hanggang 3 beses ng taunang sahod na pinangunguna. 750,000 piso hanggang 1,000,000 at kalahating milyon o higit pa. Dito usually, may pamilya ka na. Focus on growing income and protecting wealth. Dapat may solid retirement plan na. Avoid unnecessary debts, external car loans, multiple credit cards. Tips: diversify investments. Plan for your kids' education. Buy property or rental income assets if possible. Sa edad na 50 o PRE retirement phase. Goal, 4 to 6 times annual salary saved. 2 million to 5 million pesos ideally. Malapit ka nang mag-retire. Dapat may passive income na, like rentals, dividends, or a side business. Health and security should be priority. Tips: start living on 60 to 70% of your income. Avoid utang retirement. Review and rebalance your portfolio regularly. Real talk lang. What if behind ka na? Kung nahuli ka man sa goals mo, huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa. Walang age limit ang pag-iipon at pag-aayos ng finances. Ang mahalaga, magsimula ka. Kung gusto mong umasenso, tandaan, hindi mo kailangang maging milyonaryo agad. Consistent saving, smart spending, and learning. Yan ang sikreto. Don't forget to like this video, comment your age and your current savings goal, at subscribe sa channel na to para sa mas marami pang Tagalog financial tips para sa bawat Pilipino.